We treat mostly venous stasis ulcers, but other wounds as well, since we have that wound experience. But probably nearly 80% of all patients at wound care centers are there because of chronic venous stasis ulcers. Venous stasis ulcers on the whole take an average of 12 weeks to heal. The question is whether that wound's going to come right back or not. It's quite disconcerting to patients who have wounds to go through 3 months of therapy at a wound care center only to have the wound pop up again the week after they were dismissed from care. So it's important for us to get the message out to our patients on ways to prevent the wound from reappearing.